Hi everyone! Today I'm taking you on a beautiful trip on the Dominican Republic most popular beach. It is called Boca Chica. Just a 30-minute drive from the capital, Santo Domingo, this beach is a favorite for both locals and tourists. And when you see it from the air, it's easy to understand why. Look at that water. It's crystal clear and calm, thanks to a natural coral reef that protects the whole bay. That reef keeps the waves out, so the water stays shallow and safe, even if you walk far from the shore. That's why people say it's like swimming in a giant natural pool, perfect for kids, family, of anyone who wants just to relax in a warm, gentle water. Now check out the coastline. You'll see rows of small restaurants and beach bars. This place serves amazing Dominican food like fresh fish, fried plantain, and seafood straight from the ocean. The vibe here is lively with chai. You hear music playing everywhere, like merengue, bachata, dembow, and reggae, and other local rhythms. People dancing, laughing, playing dominoes. This is a real Dominican beach life. If you're into an adventure, Boca Chica has that too. You can rent a kayak or paddleboard that goes snorkeling to see fish and coral near the reef. There are even little islands nearby, like the Matica, where you can see birds and explore nature. And don't worry, there's a spot to just stay under the sun, order a drink, and forget about everything else. Something that makes this beach special is how local live is. It's not a tourist only place. You'll see Dominican families, streets, vendors, beauty, and culture all around. That's what gives Boca Chica its soul. And if you stay until sunset, wow, the view is something you won't forget. The sky turns orange and pink over the calm water, and the warm beach starts to glow. Boca Chica is the kind of place that makes you slow down and enjoy little things. Warm water, good food, and happy people. That is the most important. So if you're visiting the Dominican Republic, don't miss it. Where is for a few hours for the war there. Boca Chica is worth it. I can't tell you that. Thanks for flying with me today. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Leave it a comment and subscribe for more beautiful plays like this. See you in the next adventures.